Welcome back. Today, we are tackling the problem of searching in a rotated sorted array, but with a twist. The array can contain duplicate elements. This variation adds a layer of complexity that breaks the standard approach used in the version without duplicates. Let's first understand the data structure. We start with an array sorted in ascending order. This array is then rotated at some unknown pivot index. For example, the sorted array 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 5 might become 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 2. Notice that unlike the standard version of this problem, we have duplicate values like 0 and 2. Why do duplicates matter? In a standard binary search, we compare the middle element with the ends to determine which half is sorted. However, if the elements at the low, middle, and high pointers are all equal, we face an ambiguity. We simply cannot determine if the rotation pivot lies in the left half or the right half. Consider these two scenarios. In scenario A, the pivot is on the left. In scenario B, the pivot is on the right. In both cases, the values at our pointers are identical. Since the values are the same, a standard comparison gives us no information about which side is sorted. We are stuck. To solve this, we modify our binary search. Steps 1 and 2 are standard. Initialize pointers and check the middle element. Step 3 is the key. If we encounter the duplicate ambiguity where low, mid, and high are equal, we simply shrink our search window by incrementing the low pointer and decrementing the high pointer. This safely removes the duplicates without losing our target. Once the duplicates are handled, we fall back to the standard logic. We identify which half is sorted. If the left half is sorted, we check if our target lies within that range. If it does, we search the left. Otherwise, we go right. We apply the same logic if the right half is sorted. Here is the code implementation. We have our standard while loop. The crucial addition is the condition checking if nums at low, mid, and high are equal. If they are, we shrink the window. The rest of the logic checks for sorted halves and adjusts the pointers accordingly until we find the target or exhaust the search space. Let's discuss performance. In the average case, where duplicates are few, we achieve O of log n time complexity, similar to standard binary search. However, in the worst case, such as an array of identical elements, we might end up shrinking the window one step at a time, resulting in O of n linear time complexity. The space complexity remains constant, O of 1. To summarize, duplicates create ambiguity in rotated arrays because we can't easily find the sorted half. We resolve this by shrinking the search window when the ends match the middle. While this ensures correctness, remember that it can degrade the time complexity to linear in the worst case.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.